Okay guys, just wanted to get on and show you actually 4th day hair using the SheScentIt Passionfruit and Flax Leave-in with the Lemongrass Hold It Gel. So this is pretty much it. I just took off my sleep cap and just kind of messed with it. Just did just a little bit with my fingers. Of course, it is very shrunken, so I can wear it like this or I can stretch it. I think I'm going to just leave it alone, but I do think, look at that, it still has so much definition. It still has body. This side is a little bit frizzier than this side, of course, because again, I usually sleep on this side. So what I think I'm gonna do, actually, I am going to stretch it just a little bit, but before I stretch it and put some heat on it, right now it's still soft. It still feels pretty moisturized, but because I'm getting ready to put some heat on it, I'm getting ready to go ahead and re-moisturize with this. We're going to see how this works on top of dry hair as a moisturizer, like I do my Curl Love. So, but before I did that, I wanted to show you what my 4th day hair looks like. So yeah, this is 4th day hair. So I'm just going to get a little bit of this in my hands and scrunch it into my hair, just like I do the Curl Love. Now I will say that this is thinner than the Curl Love. I can tell, you know, it's just thinner. You can look at it and tell, you can feel it and tell. So it seems to be soaking in quite nicely. And the reason I say I'm gonna do this first is because it is so thin and it is a lot more water content, it feels like, in this. When I stretch it, it's gonna help with the moisture, as well as, because it's, if I don't stretch it, it's gonna shrink up more because of the water content in this, if you see what I'm saying. So I don't want it too shrunken. But yeah, okay, so it's feeling good. It's feeling moisturized. It still has some definition, and it did not leave any white flakes or anything like that in my hair that I can see. So that's great. Those are the things that I look for in a topical moisturizer on dry hair. So, so yeah, let me stretch it real quick and then I will show you what it looks like after I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm back. I stretched it just a little bit, not a lot. I didn't stretch it so much for length. I just stretched it for just to kind of loosen up the curls because it was so compact in this and they were really hugging on each other. So I just basically stretched it to give it a little bit more fluff and to loosen up the curls a little bit. So this is it. Yeah, I'm gonna throw on some earrings and then we're gonna head out and go get us some lunch. So hopefully you liked this video and Hopefully it answers your questions about these two products. 4th day hair, again, I have a lot of definition. I could actually get a lot more days out of this. I could actually get a week out of this if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that. I'm probably going to go ahead and wash my hair tomorrow, just because I usually wash on 4th day, 3rd or 4th day anyway. Tomorrow will be 5th day hair, so, and I don't have anything to do, so that's the time to get it washed so to be ready for the weekend. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.